Let's do it. Finest 14 football. It's been a fun product. Some of the hits are subpar, but that's expected for most products. Let's get our hits out. We might have a redemption in this box. There's our patch. Sometimes you can't tell it's because the redemption's in there, and it's the same thickness as the base. We're off. We got Allen Robinson and Devontae. It's cool, Peterson. X Factor, Alex Smith. Kelvin Base. David Fales. Trey. Mike Evans, Atomic die cut. I don't think I've hit that card ever. It's a gold of Vincent Jackson to 75 for the Bucks. There's Taj. Fantasy. That is Woodhead. Danny Woodcock. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that. Jarvis Landry. It was like a NFL Network special, and Joe Theismann said it when they were talking about the Danny Woodhead when I think he was on the Patriots. There's our hit. Looks like it's Cody. Cody Latimer for the Broncos. That's kind of cool. We're going to need some more time on him to see what he's all about, but could be a nice young player for them. That's cool. Victor Cruz Fantasy Finest Refractor for the Giants. Not numbered. It's just the refractor version, and then a refractor of Romo too. Robert Harrell. He sure has printed a lot in Topps. I must think highly of him. We got a couple more packs. This must not be the hit. This is just a base pack. Pierre X Factor. Whoops, I dropped Zach. This should be a patch or a thick card, thick hit. Yeah. Ray Rice Refractor. That's cool. Trey Mason. He's a good little back. Just one color. It's like stitching though. I think white's next to it, but you can't really see it, so we're just gonna call it one. That'll do it for this box. Not bad. We got Trey Mason, jersey auto, not numbered. Cody Latimer, it's also not numbered, and a gold Vincent Jackson to 75. So decent break.